So, I cannot believe I've received 1.10,000 views while saving the dog. Wow, that is incredible. That is incredible. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. My dog is waiting for me. I'm coming, Chloe. It's the most exciting thing in my life. I was not expecting that. I mean, who would expect that? I saw a doggy. I saved the other dog a few days ago. Guys, again, it's incredible. I can't believe. Also on TikTok, well, it's not that bad, but it's still, I received like 230 or 40 views. But on YouTube, on my YouTube, I received 1.7 thousand views. Wow. And on my TikTok, 200, which is not bad though. But guys, thank you so much. Everyone have a blissful day. And again, please, always, if you see something, say something. If you see an animal trapped or people or anything about people or animals, always do something. Don't ignore it. That's cruel to ignore it. It's not okay.